Okay, so how today's lesson will go is I will be just going through very quickly, okay, to recap what you saw on the online video. Okay, that will just take about 5 minutes, very fast recap. I will go through the 12 questions that you did online. Okay, even the questions that you got correct, I will just go through very quickly. But the questions you got wrong, I will spend a bit more time. Okay, then maybe we'll stop for a toilet break. And when you come back from the toilet break, I'm going to give you more questions to try in class, but similar to what we have done as homework. Are we good? Can?
Yeah.
And then at the end of today's lesson, we'll see how it goes and you can give me any feedback if you want to. Okay?
How about the
So
chat function?
sorry, which chat question?
No, the chat function.
You don't need, just ignore the chat function. Maybe later, if I want you to type your answers, I might ask you to type it in the chat group so that I can see your answer, but other student cannot. Can we do that? Okay,
Okay.
great. So, this is what we're supposed to know today. Okay, the first lesson, we are supposed to understand your place values. Okay, add and subtract numbers and number patterns. I noticed that in the homework section, a lot of people have trouble with this. Okay, maybe y'all have not seen much number patterns in primary 2. So today's lesson, let's focus a bit more on number patterns. All right, number patterns are slightly challenging in the sense that it requires a bit more creative thinking. So y'all might not have encountered a lot of number patterns questions in primary 2, so we'll try and tackle that more today. Okay, so let me just go through the first thing that we're supposed to learn today. Okay, once again, the slides will be sent to you at the end. Okay, wait. Can y'all do y'all have paper and writing material with you?
Yes.
Sakti, do you have?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So later I will need y'all to try out some questions. So please make sure that before every lesson you prepare that for me, just paper and writing materials. So today's all the notes that I write down, okay, it will be sent to you via email, okay, as a PowerPoint, so don't need to copy. Okay, so what is place value? When we talk about place value, we are talking about the position. Okay, what position the number is in. Okay, so far we have learned ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Am I correct? We're all familiar with what these positions are. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, correct? So next week onwards, we will move on to 10,000s, but let's not worry about that first, okay? Let's just focus on ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. So let's say I have a 4-digit number. Okay? Sakti, can you tell me this number, okay, this number here is in which position?
Ones.
Very good. So please remember the ones position is always the right-hand side, all the way at the right. Okay, then Jingjie, can you tell me this one? This square, imagine there's a number in the square. This number will be in which position?
Tens.
Fantastic. Okay, Sakti, how about this number?
Hundreds.
Very good. And finally, this one will be thousands. All right, so place value simply means which position the number is in. So now let me test you all. Okay, let's start with Jingjie first. Jingjie, can I ask you, if I were to give you this number 569, okay, my question is the number 9 is in the which place? So what will your answer in the blank be if you had to answer this question in school?
Ones.
So will you write once or will you spell it out?
Spell it out.
Very good. So Sakti and Jingjie, please remember, whenever I see this word in the which place, okay, I need to spell it out. Sakti, you understand what I say?
Yeah.
So whenever the question says is in the which place, I need to spell the answer out.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, Sakti, now you help me with the next one. The next example I have is 421. Okay, the number 4 is in the which place? Sakti?
The number 4 is in the hundreds place.
So what? How do I write out the answer? How do I spell or write the number out?
Write the number out.
Are you sure? Just now I said whenever I see the word place, I need to spell it out. So once again, do I spell or do I write the number out?
Spell.
So what do I spell? How do I spell hundreds?
H U N D R E D E S.
Good. So please take note. If you notice once again, whenever I see what place, not only must I spell it out, I also must add the S behind. Okay, so I cannot say 100 place. I must say hundreds place. Jingxi and Sakti understand what I'm talking about? Are we clear? Sakti,
Yeah.
please remember this. Okay, let's move on. Now let me test a different kind of question. Okay, let's start with Jingjie. I give you now 519. Okay? Question asks the digit 1 stands for, what will your answer be? Jingjie?
Hmm.
Will it be, okay, what will your answer be? You try and tell me first. In the exam, what will you put this as your answer?
1.
You say in 519, the digit 1 stands for 1. Is that correct? Is that your answer? So will you write 1 or will you write 1? Which one will you put? Will you write the number or will you spell it out?
Write the number.
So you say write the number. Yeah, I'm surprised. The teacher mentioned all this in the video. You all are not paying attention. So Sakti, what do you think? Do you think Jingjie's answer is correct?
No.
In 519, the digit 1, does it only stand for 1? Sakti, what should be the correct answer?
It must tens.
Good. So, Jingjie, do you notice this is in the tens place?
Yes.
So does this stand for 1 or not?
No.
No, right? The digit 1 stands for 10. So, Sakti, should I write out 10 or should I write tens? Which should be the
Ten.
correct answer? Think
Ten.
carefully. This one or this one? The number or the letter?
Letter.
Number. Okay. Do I see the word place here? Sakti, do I see the word place in this question?
No.
So should I spell it out?
No.
No need, right? So everybody, please remember, as long as I don't see the word place, the answer is just a simple 10. Jingxi, understand?
Yeah.
Okay, Jingxi, I want you to try the next question for me. Similar question. Now I have 421. Okay, same as just now. The digit 4 stands, 4. Okay, what does it stand for, Jingxi?
400.
Very good. So, Sakti, do I spell out 400 or do I just need to write 400?
You need to just write 400.
Very good. Are we clear, both of y'all?
Yeah.
Let's give one more example to try, okay? In case you are confused. So, if I have, let's introduce a thousands number now. 9826. All right? The digit 9 Sakti, what does it stand for?
The digit 9 stands for 100.
Ah, look
The
at this
digit
number. The digit 9 stands for what?
thousands.
Is it just thousands? Look at this question. The digit 4 stands for 400. So in this case, 9826, the digit 9 stands for what?
9,000.
Yes, 9,000. Must include the 9. Okay? Understand? Are we clear?
Yeah.
Jingxie, the digit 2 stands for what? In 9826. Cannot hear. I think you need to unmute.
20.
Very good. Sakti, one more. In 9,826, the digit 6 stands for?
The digit 6 stands for 6.
Yes, very good. Fantastic. Are we clear? Good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's move on. I will summarize everything. Okay. Let me write the big fat number here. I have 8, 6, 7, 5. Okay, so now let's recap in the place. So we are looking at this one already, in the place. Okay, for the place value, number 5 is in the which place? Sakti?
Yeah.
Number 5 is in the which place?
The number 5 is in ones.
So I spell it out or I write the number?
Spell.
Very good, because I'm asking you about place. Fantastic job. So this is in the ones place. Okay? Jingjie, number 7 is in the?
Tens place.
Very good. Remember the S. Okay. Sakti, number 6 is in the?
Number 6 is in the hundreds.
Very good. Jingjie, number 8 is in the?
Thousands.
Fantastic. Okay, so remember for place value, I spell it out and I have the S behind. I think you all get it. Now let's try what does it stand for. Okay, we start with Jingjie. Number 5 stands for what? 8,675. What does
Which
number 5? Yes, Jingjie?
5.
Very good. So I just write the digit out. Sakti, in 8,675, number 7, the digit 7 stands for what?
Tens.
Think carefully first. What does it stand for in 8,675? The digit 7 stands for?
70.
Yes. Okay, Sakti, I want to test you again. In 8,675, the digit 6 stands for?
600.
Yes, good. Jingjie, finally, the digit 8 stands for what?
8,000.
Very good. Okay, so now if I were to ask you all, okay, how do I spell out 8,675? Can you type in the chat group? If I need to convert this number into a spelling out into a word format, how do you do so? Can you type it out in the chat group? Let me see what answers y'all can give me.
My parents are not with me.
It's okay, you can just type out in the chat group. You
Is
know
it
how to
press-
type, right?
Is it press chat?
Yes. Press chat. There will be a small box that pops out and you can use your keypad to type. Sakti can?
I don't know where is it.
You don't know. Is your mom or dad anywhere near you?
No.